Happy Saturday, everyone. It's Lisa Doggins-Farr-Jagosinski, and I am here today in the hills of Porter Ranch. This area is the Hillcrest area of the ridge, and I'm going to be showing you this beautiful home this afternoon from 12 to 3. 5 bedrooms, over 4,800 square feet. Its asking price today is for $4,188,000. I'm going to show you why and how this could be yours. Stay tuned, and I hope to see you. Hi there. Are you coming? You gotta come and see this. It's the most beautiful home, sitting tucked away on the hillsides of Porter Ranch, the Hillcrest community. 24-hour gated. Beautiful views. I'm giving you sneak peeks. If you come to see me, you can get just as excited about it as I am. Anyway, I will tell you a little bit. I'm here showing a luxurious 5-bedroom, 6-bath house. It's 4,800 square feet of elegance. It's got your downstairs home office where you can just kind of hear and still see what's going on around the home and getting some work done too. You can close yourself off. It's got these really cute double French doors. We like. Yes. And the other cool part about this office is it sits right on the side of the house where, looking out the window, is the basketball court. Swoop. There it is. How fun is that? The view is fantastic. I'll show you a little more, but I'm going to be here until 5 o'clock today. Short day. If you think you're interested, if you want to come by here and figure out and learn how you can have a home like this, or any home in the Southern California area or in the Southern Nevada area, you should contact me. You should call me today. You should scan my QR code. You should schedule yourself an educational Zoom, because I will get you qualified. I will get you in front of all of the right people, turning in all of the right things. I will guide you through the process. And I have a fantastic team. In-house lenders, buyer-friendly, investor-friendly, first-time buyer-friendly. They've got all the programs. You need to talk to me. If you're hanging out, wishing, dreaming, or hoping that you too could take part in home ownership, of course you can. Bye. Looking forward to seeing you today, 12 to 3, here in the Hillcrest community in Porter Ranch. 24-hour guard gated. Come and see me, 12 to 3 today. Don't miss it. Look at that. It's just beautiful here. Did you see the horses? Wow. See you soon. Happy Sunday. Are you seeing what I'm seeing?